There you are. Today is September 19th, and the new iPhone has come out. I pre-ordered mine. I have it here with me, so let's check that out. So here it is. The box. Trying to figure out how to open it. I got the purple, the deep purple. That camera really sticks out a lot though. Not sure how I feel about that one. It's always stuck out, but that is quite a lot. Other than that, it's really nice. And it also comes with a lightning port. That's USB-C. And that's it. These are just instructions. Right. I guess it doesn't come with a brick anymore. I don't remember if my 12 mini came with one or not. But I'm setting up the phone now. At least I'm trying to. Yep. Oh, it may take a few minutes. Right now I'm transferring my data, and this is the red one's the 12 mini, and that's the 14 Pro. Notice the size difference. That is a huge difference. And even on the 14 Pro, like it's got some weight. This weighs close to nothing, and this is actually pretty heavy. So I usually don't put a case on my phone. I might be getting a case for that just because of how heavy it is, and the fact that the cameras stick out like a foot. So don't really want to damage that. I don't mind some scratches and whatever from general wear and tear. This one's beat up, but it's in good condition. So just setting it up right now. I'll keep you updated on any changes. Been messing around with it for a bit. Won't focus. You can like completely customize your home screens there. Right now it's locked. Well, now I just unlocked it. Then change it there, but even back on the, let me get it unlocked. There it goes. Can edit it just like your home screen. You can completely customize everything. I know they said that during the keynote presentation, but I didn't quite understand. I don't think they quite made it clear what they were talking about. Maybe I just didn't understand what they were talking about, but completely customize everything here. Even like change the yeah, I'm still figuring out. Change the color and time that everything appears on. That's pretty cool. So I'm so far I like it pretty well. I mentioned earlier how the phone is significantly bigger, but like it's hard to see there. It's even thicker than the 12 mini. I'm gonna keep messing with it. Find anything cool to share, I'll share it. But I think that's gonna be it for now. I will see you in the next video.